Looking for the perfect family getaway on Turkey's stunning turquoise coast? Let me take you through everything you need to know about Club and Hotel Letoonia, a massive 5-star all-inclusive resort that's been welcoming guests since 1989. This place sits on an impressive 180,000 square meters of pine-forested hillside overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, and trust me, there's a lot to unpack here. Let's start with where you'll be resting your head after long days of activities and beach time. Club and Hotel Letoonia offers an incredible variety of accommodations spread across 6 buildings and 180 villas, giving you 22 different room categories to choose from. Every single room comes with air conditioning, which you'll definitely appreciate during those hot Turkish summers, plus a balcony or terrace where you can enjoy your morning coffee or evening drinks. The minibar gets refilled daily, and you've got all the basics covered like tea and coffee making facilities, a safe for your valuables, satellite television with screens over 42 inches, and complimentary Wi-Fi throughout your stay. Now, if you're watching your budget, the standard rooms are your entry point at 28 square meters. These cozy spaces feature either a king or twin beds, and while they might be the most affordable option, they don't skimp on comfort. You'll get garden or pine forest views, and if you want to upgrade to a sea view, it'll cost you an extra €50 per night. The rooms have wooden accents that give them a warm, inviting feel, and that private balcony overlooking the greenery is perfect for unwinding. Moving up the ladder, the deluxe rooms give you a bit more space at 32 square meters and were renovated in 2022, so everything feels fresh and modern. These rooms add an espresso machine and bathrobes to your amenities, plus you get sea or pool views. The bathrooms are particularly nice in these renovated spaces, and you can even request your preferred pillow type from their pillow menu. For families, and this resort is definitely geared toward families, the family rooms are where things get interesting. At 40 square meters with 2 bedrooms connected by a door, these can sleep 4 to 5 people comfortably. They've got bunk beds for the kids, who usually go crazy for those, and they'll throw in a free baby kit if you're traveling with little ones. The rooms are spacious enough that you won't feel like you're tripping over each other, and there's even a small play area to keep the kids entertained. If you're looking to really treat yourself, the suites are 55 square meters of luxury with a separate bedroom and living area, plus a private jacuzzi. You'll get an espresso machine, slippers, a fruit basket on arrival, and those panoramic sea views are absolutely stunning. The suite guests also get express check-in, which means less time waiting around and more time enjoying your vacation. But here's where it gets really special. The villas range from 70 to 120 square meters and come with 1 or 2 bedrooms. Some of these have private pools, which is just next-level luxury, and you can get swim-up access from certain villas. They've got their own garden areas, some with barbecue facilities, and if you book one of the larger villas, you even get butler service. The stone construction gives them a traditional Mediterranean feel, and features like outdoor showers and infinity pool edges make you feel like you're living in a postcard. For families with kids who love water, the Aquapark villas are genius. These 90 square meter spaces are themed specifically for children and offer direct access to the Aquapark. The interiors are colorful and fun, they've kid-proofed the outlets, and there are toys included. Your children will have the time of their lives being able to run straight from their villa to the water slides. One thing to note is that the resort has been doing rolling renovations, with about 40% of rooms updated between 2020 and 2022. Some guests mention that a few rooms still show their age a bit, but the hotel is actively working through updates. Prices vary wildly depending on when you visit, starting around €200 per night for 2 adults during the low season from November to March, jumping to €300 to €500 in the shoulder seasons of April through June and October, and reaching €450 to €800 during the peak summer months of July through September. Now let's talk about food, because with an ultra all-inclusive package, you're going to be doing a lot of eating and drinking. Club and Hotel Letoonia has 12 different dining venues, and the ultra all-inclusive concept means you get unlimited access to the a la carte restaurants, though some have limits of 1 or 2 visits per stay. Premium drinks are included, and there's 24/7 room service, which is a lifesaver when you've got hungry kids at odd hours. The main restaurant, Letoonia Main Restaurant, is where you'll probably eat most of your meals. This place is massive, seating 800 people with a sea view terrace that makes breakfast feel extra special. The buffet spreads are enormous with international options, but what really sets it apart are the 8 live cooking stations. You can watch chefs prepare sushi, pasta, grilled meats, and seafood right in front of you. They do a Turkish night every Wednesday that guests rave about with traditional dishes and entertainment. Breakfast runs from 7 to 11, lunch from noon to 2, and dinner from 7 to 9. The dress code is smart casual and you don't need reservations, though it can get crowded during peak dinner hours in high season. For something more intimate, the Olive Garden a la carte restaurant serves Italian and Mediterranean cuisine in a beautiful garden setting. This place requires reservations, seats about 100 people, and has an elegant dress code. The menu features dishes like truffle pasta and lobster risotto, and they offer wine pairings if you're into that. The wood-fired pizzas are apparently fantastic, and the garden lighting at night creates a really romantic atmosphere. If you're a seafood lover, Fischerman's Wharf is your spot. This casual 80-seat restaurant right by the water specializes in grilled octopus, fresh fish, and traditional mise platters. They do a special seafood barbecue on Fridays, and guests love watching the chefs work with the fresh catches displayed on ice. For something completely different, Dragon Palace offers Asian fusion cuisine with teppanyaki and dim sum. The 60-seat restaurant has a casual vibe with lantern lighting, and watching the chefs work the wok stations with flames shooting up is entertainment in itself. They have special sushi nights that are worth timing your visit around. Beyond the main restaurants, there are 5 pool bars scattered around the property serving snacks like burgers, cocktails, and ice cream from 10 in the morning until 6 in the evening. 2 of these are swim-up bars, which means you can literally order a drink without leaving the pool. The thatched roof bars with fresh fruit skewers give off serious vacation vibes. One thing to note is that while the food variety is praised consistently in reviews, there's no dedicated vegan menu, though the staff will accommodate requests if you let them know. Some guests who stay for a full week mention the buffet can feel a bit repetitive toward the end, but with 12 venues, you've got plenty of options to mix things up. Water lovers, this section is for you. Club and Hotel Letoonia has 10 different pools spread across the property, and honestly, you could spend your entire vacation just pool hopping. There are 2 Olympic-sized pools measuring 50 by 25 meters and 1.4 meters deep, perfect for anyone who actually wants to swim laps rather than just splash around. 4 family pools come with slides that kids absolutely love, and there's an adults-only infinity pool that measures 35 by 15 meters where you can actually relax without worrying about getting splashed by cannonballs. For families with very young children, 2 shallow kids pools provide safe spaces for little ones to play. When the weather cools down from October to May, they heat select pools, and there's 1 indoor heated pool measuring 20 by 10 meters that's open 24/7. The Aquapark, added in 2021, features 9 different slides ranging from gentle ones for younger kids to adrenaline-pumping drops for teenagers and adults. There's also a lazy river where you can float around on tubes, which is perfect for those days when you want to relax but still be in the water. The pools are open from 8 in the morning until 8 at night, except for that indoor pool. Towels are provided free of charge, which saves you from packing extras or paying rental fees like at some resorts. 2 of the pools have those swim-up bars I mentioned earlier, and there are poolside waiters who will bring drinks and snacks right to your lounger. If you want extra comfort, you can rent a cabana for €20 per day, giving you shade and a bit more privacy. Now, one of the biggest selling points of this resort is the private beach access. The property has its own 250-meter stretch of sandy beach called Kittir Beach with crystal clear waters. It's Blue Flag certified, which means it meets strict environmental and safety standards. Getting down to the beach involves a 1-kilometer private path that winds through the pine forest, and while some guests mention the walk can be a bit much in the heat, there are shuttle services available. Once you're there, you've got free use of kayaks and pedalos, which is great for exploring the coastline. If you want more excitement, they offer paid water sports, including jet skiing for €40 per half hour and parasailing. The beach has its own bar with waiter service, so you never have to leave your lounger if you don't want to. Loungers and umbrellas are available on a first-come, first-served basis, and during peak season, you'll want to claim your spot early. The water stays warm enough for swimming from May through October, and even in the shoulder seasons, it's refreshing rather than cold. Multiple guests mention the beach as one of their favorite features, with that combination of soft sand and clear Mediterranean water being hard to beat. Beyond lounging by pools and beaches, Club and Hotel Letoonia keeps you busy with an impressive range of activities. The fitness center is open from 7 in the morning until 10 at night and comes equipped with Technogym treadmills, 10 of them actually, plus bikes, free weights, and TRX equipment. If you're into group fitness, they offer daily classes including yoga, pilates, and aqua aerobics, all included in your stay. Personal training sessions are available for €30 per hour if you want more focused attention. Sports enthusiasts will appreciate the 6 tennis courts, and they provide equipment if you didn't pack your racket. There's also mini golf, archery, and darts with organized tournaments throughout the week. Beach volleyball and water polo games happen regularly, often with staff members organizing teams and keeping things fun and competitive. For those who prefer less physical activities, there are board games, card tournaments, and even Turkish language lessons offered a few times per week. The resort really shines with its evening entertainment. The 800-seat amphitheater hosts professional shows 6 nights a week, featuring everything from acrobats to magicians to tribute acts. Recent guests mentioned a Michael Jackson tribute show that was apparently spectacular. After the main show, there's a disco that opens at 11 for anyone still has energy. During the day, animation teams keep things lively around the pools with games, dance classes, and contests. The weekly schedule includes themed nights, with Turkish night being the most popular, featuring traditional music, dancing, and special menu items. Halloween in October and the New Year's Eve Gala with fireworks are particularly special events if your visit coincides with those dates. What's nice is that you can be as involved or as relaxed as you want. If you want to join every activity and show, the staff will keep you entertained from morning until night. If you'd rather just read a book by the pool, nobody's going to pressure you to participate. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.